All 8 passes from yesterday. Enjoy. How you doing, folks? Back in the loop. It's Friday the 16th of August, 9 o'clock. And just look at that. Absolutely beautiful sky. A few clouds about, but it's looking a little bit misty, but I don't think there's going to be any problem with the aircraft coming through today. Absolutely beautiful. Hopefully we're going to get some decent aircraft coming through. Coningsby, I believe, is shut, so there's no typhoons today, unfortunately, but hopefully the F-15s, the F-35s, the Hawks, etc. will all come through. So keep watching the channel, and I'll upload any videos later. Bye for now. Yeah, so like I said, if you can keep sharing the page, any videos that I put on, if you can share them with your pals. Oh, here we go. I missed him. He came from nowhere. That was the hawk I was looking at. Here we go, text him. Nice little Texan pass there. Something's coming through here. Texan, is it? Can't see it. That Texan's come back. Come here. Oi. That Texan's come back. That's good. Three Hawks did come through, and they're not, them ones aren't showing on the tracker, so we've just got 3 passes there. They're not the same ones, Beano. Hi folks, you can see we've just got a Royal Air Force Stenham going over Bala, so it's on its way to Cadiz, Cad West, and it'll come through here, so fingers crossed. Keep watching and I'll upload it to the channel in a bit. Gonna get a nice Stenham pass. Definitely coming through this. Be amazed if it doesn't. So I'm going to get a good video here, hopefully. Here it is. There we go, fed them straight through the Corris Valley. Nice. How you doing, guys? Just looking what's here. This has been circling for a while now. Sikorsky Helibus. Not sure what it's up to, but it's been circling the Diffie Forest just near Corris. So I'll keep my eye on this and just see what it's up to. Bye for now. Something's going on, guys. This has been flying around now for the past half an hour. It's circling the forest down the Corris Valley. So I'm not sure that's what's been going on, but it looks like some sort of mountain rescue or something. And keep my eye on it, but it's been quite busy over on this side of me, so hopefully everything's okay and nobody's got themselves into any trouble. I might call it a day on the live, but I'm going to be editing what I've seen today. So there's going to be 8 passes. We've had a Phenom, we've had 4 Hawks, and 3 Texans, I think it is. So I'm going to upload all them, pop them onto the page tomorrow, so if you keep your eyes open. Then just, like I said, Monday, Tuesday, I'm going to play it by ear, and hopefully I'll be back again. But I just want to thank everybody for watching. Like I said, I'll keep my eye open on this. If anything comes through, I'll upload it to the page later. So thanks a lot. Cheers everyone. Bye.